another unboxing. You guys can see me. Yeah, you can see, guys. Yep. You definitely can see. So yep. So it's just a little quick unboxing. So primary day. Alright. Let's start opening this. So I don't want to cut any stickers. Hey, first let me. There you go. Start the receipt. It says, "Hi Diego, thank you for the support and patience while my store was on hiatus. Enjoy the surprise. Keep rewarding and have fun." Yeah. So it says right there. Yep. Yeah, so that's the receipt. Oh my, what? Dang. Send us a lot of grip. I never knew. T-tuning. Oh, I love these bushings. I got the blue bushings. Oh, yes, I knew it. Some Fireflame dump trucks. Some Fireflame Ebert trucks. Yeah. That's it. See? Let me see. Yeah, that's it. So that's all the grab bag. So we got. I think this is a vinyl. And this is a sticker. A Fireflame sticker. Some T-tuning bushings, which I'm going to use. Some grip. Here, I'll tell you how smooth it is. Oh my god, it's super smooth. And some trucks. Get the pulsar shape. So we got blue trucks and screws. And then the note. So just, yeah. You know. And yes, that's all my unboxing. Comment, subscribe, like, rate. Thumbs up for this video. So yeah. Bye.